Hello everyone, my name is Raksha. Today I am here again with my new video. I hope you liked my previous video. In today's video, again we are going to have an introduction of another letter. That is letter L. Yes, letter L. Now what is the sound of letter L? The sound of letter L is L. Yes, L. In this sound, your tongue touches the upper part of your mouth. For example, when you lick the lollipop, the same way. So do the action. Say L. Correct. L. So L says L. L, lamp or leaf. So L says L, lion. Before I tell you the story of letter L, I want to share an incident with you. Last night, it was raining really heavily today. It was really raining heavily last night. So, and the electricity went off and there was dark everywhere. So, what did I do? Yes, just like you, I had no other option than to light the lamp. Yes, I light lamp. Correct. So let's jump to the story. This story is of a lion whose name was Lucky. Yes, so this is Lucky the lion. Everyone say hi to Lucky the lion. Yes, so his name is Lucky and he is a lion. Yes, one day Lucky the lion thought of going to buy a lollipop. Yes, lollipop. So he thought of buying a lollipop. So, before leaving the house, what do you do all the time? Yes, we close the door and we put a lock. So, it stays safe in your absence, right? The same way, Lucky the lion put a lock. Yes, lock at the door. And when he went to buy the lollipop, he met a lady. Yes, a lady. Lady. And the name of this lady is, can you guess? Yes, the name of this lady is Lucy. Yes, Lucy. So Lucky the lion met Lucy the lady when he went to buy a lollipop. Yes, they met there and they became very good friends. One day they decided to go to the park. Yes, and when they went to the park, they saw a ladybird. Yes, ladybird. And you want to know where the ladybird was sitting? The ladybird was sitting on a leaf. Yes, leaf. He was sitting on the leaf and was eating a lemon. Yes, lemon. So, the ladybird was sitting on the leaf and eating a lemon. When they moved forward, who moved forward? Lucky the lion and Lucy the lady. They moved forward and they saw a tree of a beautiful white flower. Can you guess what was the flower? Which flower was that? Yes, that was a beautiful white flower which is lily. Yes, this is lily. They saw this beautiful flower there. And when they were roaming here and there, they saw a log. Do you want to know what the log is? This is a log. Yes, a wooden log. Log. They were sitting there. They were sitting on the log. Who sat on the log? Lucy Lucky the lion and Lucy the lady. They were sitting on the log. And while they were chit-chatting, they were talking, they started feeling hungry. Yes. But Lucky, he forgot to bring his lunch box there. But Lucy was smart. She knew that they may get late. So she carried a lunch box. Lunch box. Do you want to know what is inside this lunch box? Let's see. Oh, what is it? Yes, this is lychee. Lychee. I know it looks like a strawberry, but when you open it, it is white from inside. Okay, unlike strawberry, it is white from inside. So, in their lunch box, there was lychee. Lychee is fruit. So they sat on the log, opened their lunch box and had the lychee they brought. So what do they do next? Yes, they opened their laptop. Yes, they opened their laptop to learn a lullaby. What is lullaby? I am sure your mama must be singing a lullaby to you when it's a bedtime. Yes, if not, please request your mom tonight itself to sing you a lullaby. Yes, so they sat on the leg, they opened their laptop to learn a lullaby. Repeat after me. Lullaby. Okay, so without fail, ask your mom to sing you a lullaby tonight. Okay, so let's repeat all the words which start with letter L, the L letter family. So, L. L says leaf. And what are the other things start with letter L? Lady. The name of the lady was Lucy. Yes. And leaf. Ladybird. Lollipop. Lily. Lychee. Lamp. Light. Lock. Lemon. Log. Lunchbox. Laptop. Lion. And what is the name of this lion? Lucky. Okay. And there are many other things which start with letter L. Okay, you can tell me the name of any body part which start with letter L. Guess? Yes. Lips. Legs. How many legs we have? 1, 2. Yes. So here we end our video. Keep practicing letter L. Okay? Bye.